Hi, I'm glad you joined me today in solving an exponential equation where the bases can be written in terms of the same base. So here we have to solve 8 to the x minus 1 power is equal to 1/4 to the x plus 2 power. Now when we're trying to solve exponential equations, the first thing we look for is if we have the same base on both sides, and if not, do we have numbers that can be written as the same base? Well, 8 can be written as 2 cubed, and 1/4 can be written as 2 to the negative 2 power. So we can write the left side as 2 cubed to the x minus 1, and on the right side we can write it as 2 to the negative 2 power to the x plus 2. Now recall with exponential expressions, if I have an exponential expression to yet another power, to simplify that we keep the base and we multiply the exponents. So on the left we have 2 to the 3 times x minus 1 power, keeping the base and multiplying the exponents, and on the right we have 2 to the negative 2 times x plus 2 power. Go ahead and distribute in the exponents. We have 2 to the 3x minus 3 is equal to 2 to the negative 2x minus 4. Now exponentials are 1 to 1, so that means if we have equality and the bases are equal, the exponents have to be equal. So this 3x minus 3 has to equal negative 2x minus 4. Solving for x, we'll add 2x to both sides, so 5x minus 3 is equal to negative 4. Add 3 to both sides, 5x is equal to negative 1, and then divide both sides by 5, we get x is equal to negative 1/5. And I'll leave it to you to check that in the original equation, but x equal negative 1/5 is the solution to our equation 8 to the x minus 1 is equal to 1/4 to the x plus 2.